In this video, you will learn how to connect Zapier with Facebook leads. First, log into your Facebook account and navigate to the lead ads section. Then, go to your Zapier account and select Facebook lead ads as the app you want to connect to. When prompted, allow Zapier to access your Facebook leads ads account. If you have multiple Facebook accounts, choose the correct one from the list. Next, set up your lead trigger, such as when a new lead is submitted on your Facebook ad. After that, configure the action you want Zapier to take with your leads, such as sending them to your CRM email system or to a Google Sheets. Finally, test Zap to ensure that everything works correctly. Once confirmed, activate and your lead will automatically be transferred to your specific destination each time a new lead is submitted on the Facebook. This connection will help automate your needs and management process, saving you time and reducing manual data entry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.